English for shopping at a mall. Shopping at a mall is a common and enjoyable activity for many people around the world. However, if English is not your first language, communicating effectively while shopping can sometimes be challenging. This article will guide you through essential English phrases, conversations, and tips for shopping at a mall confidently. 1. Entering the mall. When you first enter a shopping mall, you might need to find your way to a specific store or service. Common expressions include, where is the directory? Could you please tell me where store name is located? Is there a restroom nearby? Where can I find an ATM? Tip. Most malls have a directory or information desk where staff can assist you. 2. Common shopping vocabulary. Here are some useful words and phrases you might encounter. Sale, discount, clearance. Fitting room, changing room, cashier, receipt, refund, exchange, gift card. Understanding these terms will help you navigate stores more easily. 3. Talking to store assistants. When you need help, don't hesitate to ask a store assistant. Some useful phrases include, excuse me, do you have this in a different size? Can I try this on? How much is this? Is this on sale? Do you accept credit cards? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? Tip. Using polite expressions like, excuse me, and, please, makes interactions smoother. 4. Trying clothes on. When shopping for clothes, you might need to use the fitting room. Where are the fitting rooms? Can I try these on? Do you have a mirror here? This is too tight, loose, big, small. Do you have this in another color? 5. Making a purchase. At the cashier, you can use these phrases. I would like to buy this, please. Can I pay with a debit card? Could you put this in a gift bag, please? Can I get a receipt, please? The cashier might ask you, would you like a bag? Do you have a membership card? Would you like to sign up for our loyalty program? 6. Asking about returns and exchanges. Sometimes you might need to return or exchange an item. Useful expressions. I would like to return this item. Can I exchange this for a different size? Is there a time limit for returns? Do I need the receipt to return this? 7. Visiting the food court. Most malls have a food court. Phrases you can use. Where is the food court? What do you recommend? Can I have a menu, please? I would like to order, item. Is this dish vegetarian? 8. Useful tips for shopping at a mall in English. Be polite. Always say, please, and, thank you. Speak clearly. Don't worry about having a perfect accent. Speak slowly and clearly. Use gestures. If you are unsure how to say something, use hand gestures. Ask for help. Mall staff are usually happy to assist you. Practice phrases. Before going shopping, practice common phrases at home. 9. Sample dialogue. Here's an example of a conversation. Customer. Excuse me. Can you help me? Assistant. Of course. What are you looking for? Customer. I'm looking for a jacket. Assistant. We have jackets over here. What size are you looking for? Customer. Medium, please. Assistant. Here you go. You can try it on in the fitting room. Customer. Thank you very much. 10. Conclusion. Shopping at a mall can be a fun experience, especially when you feel confident speaking English. By learning some basic phrases and practicing them, you can enjoy your shopping trip. Find what you need, and even have friendly conversations with store staff. Happy shopping! A day at the mall. Real-life English for shoppers. Imagine you've just stepped into a large shopping mall in a new country. The air smells of fresh coffee and new clothes. Music is playing softly in the background, and people of all ages walk past you, chatting, browsing, and carrying bags full of purchases. If you're not a native English speaker, You might wonder, how do I talk to people here? What if I need help? Don't worry, this guide is for you. Scene 1. Finding your way. You look around and see signs pointing in different directions. You want to find a shoe store. What to say? Hi. Is there a shoe store on this floor? Excuse me. Where's the nearest sportswear shop? Is there a mall directory I can look at? A friendly security guard replies, yes. Turn left, and you'll see foot zone just past the escalator. Tip. Words like left, right, upstairs, downstairs, next to, and across from are very useful here. Scene 2. The window shopper. You reach a store and peek through the glass. You see something you like. You walk in. A staff member smiles and says, hello. Let me know if you need any help. You're not ready to buy yet, so you smile back and say, thanks. I'm just looking around. I'll let you know if I need anything. Tip. This is called window shopping. It's okay to look around without buying anything. Scene 3. Let's try it on. You finally spot a jacket you love. But will it fit? You ask, do you have this in size large? Can I try this on? Where's the fitting room? Inside the fitting room, you may realize, it's too tight. I think I need one size up. Come out and say, this one's a bit small. Do you have a larger size? The staff might respond, yes, I'll check in the back for you. Scene 4. At the checkout. You've made your choice. Time to pay. The cashier might ask, would you like a bag? Are you a member of our store? Do you want your receipt in the bag or with you? You might say, can I pay by card? I'd like to pay in cash. Can I return this if it doesn't fit? Tip. Learn basic money-related vocabulary. Cash, card, receipt, total, change, refund. Scene 5. Food court conversations. Shopping makes you hungry. You head to the food court and see a burger place. You ask, is this meal vegetarian? What comes with the combo? Can I get this without onions? Please, you'll hear. Would you like to make it a meal? For here or to go? Tip. Listening carefully in noisy places is important. Don't be shy. Ask again if you didn't hear. Scene 6. Lost and found. You suddenly realize your bag is missing. You rush to the information desk and say, excuse me, I lost my shopping bag near the restroom. Has anyone turned in a lost item? The staff might reply, can you describe it? Please fill out this form. Bonus expressions for smooth shopping. Here are a few more phrases to make your shopping trip smoother. Do you have any promotions today? Is there a student discount? Can I get a gift receipt? What's your return policy? Final thoughts. Shopping in a mall isn't just about buying things. It's about interacting, asking, responding, and making small talk. With the right English expressions and a little confidence, you can handle any situation. Don't be afraid to speak. Most people will appreciate your effort. So next time you're at the mall, remember, every store is a classroom. And every cashier is your language partner. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Let us know in the comments which daily conversation topic you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.